Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are exploring an easy way to earn passive income by sharing your unused internet bandwidth with HoneyGain. If you've got internet to spare and want to make some extra cash without doing much, stick around. Let's dive in. What is HoneyGain? HoneyGain is an app that lets you earn money by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. It is a simple, safe, and passive way to generate income without much effort on your part. All you need to do is install the app on your device, and it will use your internet connection to gather bits of information from the web, which is then used by businesses for various purposes like SEO monitoring and price aggregation. Getting started with HoneyGain is easy. First, head over to honeygain.com and sign up for a free account and get a starter gift of $2. You can also use a referral code to get a $3 starting bonus. So when you sign up, you just have to input your information.
After signing up, download and install the HoneyGain app on your preferred device. HoneyGain supports Windows, Android, macOS, and Linux.
Once installed, log in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, HoneyGain will start running in the background sharing your unused internet bandwidth. You don't need to do anything else. Just make sure your device is connected to the internet and let HoneyGain do the work. How much can you earn? Your earnings depend on the amount of bandwidth you share and the demand for bandwidth in your location. On average, users can earn between $20 to $50 per month, but this can vary. You can track your earnings in the HoneyGain dashboard. Once you reach the minimum payout threshold of $20, you can request a payout via PayPal or Jump Task. Payments are usually processed within a few business days. Is HoneyGain safe? Yes, HoneyGain is safe to use. The app doesn't access your personal data, and the bandwidth is used for legitimate business purposes. Additionally, your internet traffic is encrypted, ensuring your privacy and security. And that's it! HoneyGain is a great way to earn passive income by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. It's easy to set up and requires no effort on your part. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have you tried HoneyGain? Let us know your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time!